Hey guys, earlier this week I recorded a Teams tutorial about Whiteboard and Microsoft Teams meetings. We're super excited about the integration, but in the recording I actually said that you can record your Whiteboard. That feature has not come out yet, but it's on its way. I do want to show you some ways you can share your Whiteboard from your Teams meeting though within Teams. So go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams meeting. Go ahead and share your screen. Click Microsoft Whiteboard. And from here, we're in the Teams meeting, and you can still use the whiteboard to teach your student. A great feature is the Share Link option. Go ahead and click the link button, and it is copied to your clipboard. So now when I end my meeting, I can go back into the conversations and paste that link within the conversation. Now, if you notice, it's super duper long, so I would suggest hyperlinking that text. So just open up your text box, write the word you would like, highlight it, and let's hyperlink that. Now, when you click the link, it will open up online and let you view on the web the notes that you did in the meeting. Still great for your students to be able to see exactly what you covered in class. Hope this helps. Thank you, Tom, for letting us know the other was not out yet. And definitely check out this feature. Let us know what you think.